Okay. So the first question is asking us how to find the vertex of a problem. Okay. So first let's write that down. So how to find the vertex of parabola. Okay. So first, let's define what is a parabola. So parabola look like this or something like this, and it is a quadratic equation. So let's write the keyword down. So quadratic equation, and it is defined as y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Right. So this graph has a parabolic shape, which looks like U or a upside down U, and the vertex of the equation. So let's write it down. Vertex of the equation will be either the maximum or the minimum point of the graph. Right. So let's call it graph A and graph B. So in graph A, the vertex will be the maximum because all other points are below it, and for graph B, the vertex will be at the minimum point. As you can see, all other points are go about right. Okay, so in order to find the vertex of the graph, we have our following steps. So step 1, we need to write the equation into the standard form. Right, which is something look like this. So y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Yep. So our second step, we need to calculate the x coordinate using x vertex is equal to negative b over 2a. Right. So our third step will be calculate the y coordinate by evaluating the equation using y vertexes is equal to f x vertexes, which is equal to f negative b over 2a. Right. So now we have the x coordinate and y coordinate. Right. So now we can write the conclusion, which is our step 4. Our vertex point will be x vertex, y vertex. And let's try this with an example. So for say, I got a quadratic equation, y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Right. So if we want to find the vertex of this equation, first let's calculate the x coordinate. which is given by the formula negative b over 2a. And as you can see here, in this quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 1. Right. So negative b over 2a will be negative 2 over 2 times 1, which is negative 2 over 2, which is just going to be negative 1. Right. And now since we get the value of our x, so we just need to substitute it back to the equation in order to get our y coordinate, which is given by y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. And let's write it down here. Substitute x is equal to negative 1. So we have instead of writing x squared, we're writing negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 plus 1. And negative 1 squared is just going to be 1, because negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to 1. And plus negative 1 times 2, which is negative 2, and plus 1 as n. And so we have 1 minus 2 plus 1, which gives us 0 as our answer. Therefore, since we got the value of x coordinate and the value for the y coordinate, so our vertex is at negative 1, 0. And if we want to represent that on a green, should be possess negative 1, 1, 1, negative 1, x-axis, y-axis. Yeah, so it should be something look like this. Right, and here is our vertex. So I think that's all we have for this question. Let's leave a comment there. So solution is correct. Well done.